أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسوله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Understand Al-Quran the Easy Way, Course 4, page 12.C. Today, inshallah, we will study Surah Al-Baqarah, verses 85 and 86. We saw each juz has been divided in 4 parts and each part has 5 pages. The first 5 pages, 1 to 5, we studied in QC2. Starting from 1 to 37 ayah, mean total 37 ayah of the Surah Al-Baqarah. The next 5 pages, that is page 6 to 10, we started in QC3 and they were starting from 38 up to 76, mean the 39 ayahs. The next 5 pages, page 11 to 15, now we are studying in this QC4, starting with 77 up to 105, mean the 29 ayahs. And the last 5 pages, page 16 to 20, inshallah, we will study in QC5, starting with 106 up to 141, mean 36 ayahs. In first juz, there are 141 ayahs. Inshallah, we will complete them in QC5. Let's to keep these pointers on the right hand of the fingers. So the page 11 pointers are, what are they? Ignorant masses, fire won't touch, rule of justice, covenant of Bani Israel. Ignorant of masses, fire won't touch, rules of justice, covenant of Bani Israel. Let's repeat the brief pointers. Ignorant, fire, rule, covenant. Ignorant, fire, rule, covenant. Let's to proceed the page 12. First pointer is covenant of blood. Second is killing and eviction. Third pointer is belief in parts. And the fourth is treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. So today, let them keep on the fingers. So the pointers for the page 12 are covenant of blood, killing and eviction, beliefs in parts, treatment with Musa and Isa and other messengers. Covenant of blood, killing and eviction, belief in parts, treatments with Musa and Isa and other messengers. Let's to keep the brief pointers. Covenant of blood, killing parts, Musa and Isa. Covenant of blood, killing parts, Musa and Isa. Today we will study the third pointer of page 12. That is belief in parts. So previous link with the previous verses is continuous. So this is the first ayah of today. If somebody kindly recite it. Yes, who would like to recite this? Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض فما جزاء من يفعل ذلك منكم إلا خزي في الحياة الدنيا ويوم القيامة يردون إلى أشد العذاب وما الله بغافل عما تعمل. So, do you believe in part of the book and disbelieve in another part? Then what should be the recompense for those who do so among you, except disgrace in worldly life, and on the day of recursion, and they will be sent back to the most severe punishment. And Allah is not unaware of what you do. The next ayah is Bismillah Rahman Rahim. أولئك الذين اشتروا الحياة الدنيا بالآخرة فلا يخفف عنهم العذاب ولهم ينصرون. Those are the ones who have bought the life of uh, this world in exchange for the hereafter. So the punishment will not be lightened for them, nor will they be helped. Let's to identify the words coming in this ayah. Is a harf istifham in the question letter. Fa is a harf. To menuna is a mudari verb from babi fal amana. B is a harf jar followed by ism majrur. B badin jar and majrur. Al kitabu is an ism. Waw is a harf. Takfuruna is the mudari verb. Remove the ta and waw noon. Kafara, kafara, yakfuru, kfuru. Three letters, lasi, mujarrad, verb. B is a harf jar followed by ism majrur. B badin, jar majrur. Fa is a harf. Ma is a here harf. Jazau is a ism. Man is a ism. Yafalu again the mudare verb. Fa'ala yafalu ifal. Uh, Next is zalika. Zalika ismu ishara. Min is a harf jar. Kum is a zamir ism majrur. Minkum jar majrur. Illa is a harf. Khizyun is an ism. Look, there are dammatan tanween. Fi is a harf jar. Al hayati ism majrur. Fil hayati jar. Ad dunya again ism. Al hayatu dunya is a murakab tawsifi. Mean have a sifa pair. Waw is a harf. Yawma is again ism. Al qiyamati. Alif lam is telling it's an ism and is a feminine ism. Yuradduna. Ya is a ilamat mudare, so it's a mudare verb, and dhamma showing is from babe ifal. Rada yurudu urud. Ila is a harf jar. Ashadda is a ism. Ila shadda is jar majur. Al-azab is a ism. Alif lam is telling. Waw is a harf. Ma is a harf here. Allah ismi jalala ism. Bi ghafilin. Bi is a harf jar followed by ism majrur. Bi ghafilin jar majrur. Amma an is a harf. Ma is a ism. Ta'malun is a mudare verb. Remove the ta and waw noon and mim lam. Amila ya'malu amal. We studied in QC1. Ulaika is ismu ishara. Allazina ismi mausula ism. Ishtaro is a madi verb. Ishtara yashtaru. Ishtari. Ishtaro. So it's again mazi verb. Al hayata. Alif lam is telling in an ism. Ad-dunya again ism. Al-hayatu dunya is a murakab tawsifi. The sifa here. Bil akhir. B is a harf jar. Akhira is a ism. Bil akhir jar majrur. Fa is a harf. La is a harf. Yukhaffafu. Yukhaffafu again a mudari verb from babi tafrij. An is a harf. Hum is a zamir ism. Al-azabu is a ism. Wa is a harf. La is a harf. Hum is a zamir ism. Yunsarun. Yunsaruna mudare verb, but it's having dhamma, so it's a mudare majhul. Let's have another look on the ibara. A is a harf, fa is a harf, to menuna the mudare verb, babi ifal, b is a harf, badi is a ism, al kitabi ism, wa is a harf, tafruna the mudare verb, b is a harf, badi again is a ism, Fa is a harf, ma is a harf, jazau is a ism, man is a here ism, yaf'alu mudari verb, zalika ismu ishara, min is a harf jar, kum is a ism, illa is a harf, khizun is a ism, fi is a harf, al hayatu is a ism, ad dunya is a ism, waw is a harf, yawma is a ism, al qiyama is a ism, yuraduna is a mudari verb, ila is a harf, Ashadda is a ism, al-azab is a ism, waw is a harf, ma is a harf, Allah ismi jalala ism, b is a harf, ghafilin is a ism, amma an is a ism, ma is a an is a harf, ma is a ism. Ta'malun is a mudari verb. Ulaika ismu ishara, Allazina ismi masula, ishtaro is the madi verb from ishtara, that is mazid fi. Al hayat again ism, ad dunya is a ism, b is a harf, again al akhira is a ism, fa is a harf, la is a harf, yukhaffafu again a mudari verb, an is a harf, hum is a zamir ism, al azab is a ism, waw is a harf, la is a harf, hum is a zamir ism, yunsarun the mudari verb. Lesson learned from these ayahs are: follow the deen of Allah fully without leaving any part. Remember the double punishment for those who follow the deen selectively. Extra warning for those who neglect Allah's commands. Allah is watching. Look the new words in each line. Cipher 1, cipher 1. Mean on average less than 1 in each line. Let's do go word for word and the phrase for phrase translation and explanation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So afa, so do tu'minuna, you believe bibadin in part of al-kitaba, the book, wa takfuruna, and disbelieve bibad in part, fama, then what, jaza'u, should be the recompense, man, who, yaf'alu, does, zalika, that, minkum, among you, illa khizyun, except the disgrace, fi, in, al hayat, the life, ad dunya, of the world. Let's to see the explanation. At the start of this verse, Allah mentions Bani Israel's fighting among each other and then using the Torah to rescue the captive. They followed the book according to their wishes. They followed some parts and rejected other parts that did not benefit them. Alim. Now, please, somebody kindly revise this part. Okay, brother Yahya, please revise it.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam rahmatullah barakatuh, brother.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أفتؤمنون. So do you believe ببعض in parts الكتاب the book وتكفرون and disbelief ببعض in parts فما then what جزاء should be the recompense man who يفعل does ذلك that minkum among you illa except khizyun disgrace fi in hayat the life at dunya of this world.
Jazakumullah, brother. Let's to see the remaining part of this ayah. Bismillah wa and yom, they al-qiyamah of the resurrection. Yaruduna, they will not send back ila to ashadda, the most severe al-azab, punishment. Wama, and not Allah bighaflin, unaware, amma, of what ta'malun, you do. So let's to see the shara of this part. Such people will have double punishment, disgrace in this world, and severe punishment in the hereafter. And there is a lesson for us Muslims in this verse. For example, we just cannot ignore Fajr Salah because it was cold while praying remaining 4 Salah. Let's to take a hadith here. According to Prophet ﷺ, as reported by Hazrat Anas anhu, there are 2 acts for which the punishment is given in this world itself: transgression and disobeying parents. So, Alim, yes, kindly somebody revise this part too. Okay. Wa yawma, and the day al-qiyamah of resurrection. Yuraduna, they will be sent back. Ila to ashadda, the most severe. Al-azab, punishment. Wa ma Allah, and Allah is not bighaflin, unaware, amma, of what ta'malun, you do. Let's to take the next ayah. Bismillah. Ulaika, those, allazina, those who once ishtaro bought al hayat, the life, ad dunya, of world, bil akhirah, for the hereafter. Fala yukhafafu, so will not be lightened anhum, for them, al azab, the punishment. Walahum, and not they, yunsarun, will be helped. So What does it mean? It means the life of this world is temporary and brief. No one has any idea when he or she will die and how he or she will die. We can't enjoy more than one meal at a time and wear one dress at a time and live in one room at a time. Dunya for us is the number of years we stay in it. The rest is irrelevant. Therefore, it is foolishness to ignore the Allah's commands for the dunya. Allah, yes, if kindly revise this part. Okay, brother, yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أولئك those both الحياة the life الدنيا of the world بالآخرة for the hereafter فلا يخفف so will not be lightened عنهم for them العذاب the punishment ولا هم and not they ينصرون will be helped.
Jazakumullah khair, brother. Let's to look the lessons once again. Follow the deen of Allah fully without leaving any parts. Remember the double punishment for those who follow the deen selectively. Extra warning for those who neglect Allah's commands. Allah is watching. Let's to pray. Oh Allah, protect us from the practicing deen only in areas that we are comfortable with and leaving the other areas. Make a plan. Inshallah, I will resist the desires of my nafs by remembering the double punishment mentioned here. Look the asma. Yawm, plural is ayyam. Shadid, ashadda. The three-letter sound verbs coming is kafara, ghafala, amila, nasra. Yes, who would like to revise the 6 keys for these verbs?
I can do it, sir.
Yes, Sister Fawzia, please go ahead.
كفر يكفر أكفر كافر مكفور كفر root letters كفر غفر يغفلات غفلت root letter غين فاء لام verb is نصر عمل يعمل اعمل عامل معمول عمل root letter عين ميم لام verb is سمع نصر ينصر انصر ناصر منصور نصر root letter nun صدر verb is نصر.
Okay, here the word has come takfuruna. So look it from mudare. Yakfuru, yakfuruna, takfuru, takfuruna. The next is here is yafalu. Yafalu is again mudare. Here it is not that. Bighaflin. Yes, bighaflin. Look, ghafilin. Lin. It is showing the this file. Ghafil. The next amila. Amila here, what we see, ta'maluna. Ta'maluna is mudare. So, yamalu, yamaluna, ta'malu, ta'maluna. The next is yansuruna. Again, mudare. Nasara, yansuru. From yansuru, yansuruna. Of course, it's majhul because it's had dhamma and the fatha before the last letter. So, it's mudare majhul. The next are the weak verbs, the hamza verb and the repeated. Among them is the jaza and radda. Yes, who would like to revise the 60 for these two?
Can I, sir?
Yes, please, I say, Asiya.
jaza, yajzi, ijzi, jazin, majziyun, jazaun. Root letters are jim, za, ya, and it's on the pattern of hada. Next is radda, yaruddu, rudda. Radun, mardud, rad. And its root letters are ra, dal, dal, and it's on the pattern zonna.
Okay. The next is the mazid fi. Among the mazid fi, we got amana, ishtara, and khafafa. Yes, somebody kindly revise the 6 for these three. Okay.
Amana,
Yes.
yu'minu,
Okay.
amin. Should I continue?
Let her to complete first.
Oh. Amana, yu'minu, amin, mu'min, mu'man, iman. Its root letters are Hamza, Mim, Noon. It's on the pattern of Babe Ifad. Should I continue?
Yes.
Next is Ishtara, Yashtari, Ishtar, Mushtarin, Mushtaran, Ishtira'un. It's on the root letters are Sheen, Ra, Ya, and it's on the pattern of Babe Ikhtilaf. Yes, and the next one is Khaffaf, Khaffafa, Yukhaffifu, Khaffif, Mukhaffifun, Mukhaffafun, Takhfifun. And its root letters are Kha, Fa, Fa, and it's on the pattern of Babe Taf'il.
Okay. Now, Sister Fawzia, please, you can also revise the same three.
Okay, sir. آمن يؤمن آمن مؤمن مؤمن إيمان. Root letter Hamza Mim.
Next. Ishtara, yashtari, ishtari,
Mushtaran
mushtaran,
اشتراء.
Okay.
Root letter Shin Ra. Root letter Shin Ra Ya. Verb on the pattern of اختلاف. خفف يخفف خفف مخفف مخفف تخفيف. Root letter خفف. Verb تفعيل.
Good. Amana is on the pattern of Aslama, Babis, Ifa'al. Ishtara is on the pattern of Ikhtilaf, Babis, Iftiyal. Khafafa is on the pattern of Allama, but the Babis, Taf'il. Okay, let's go for the grammar. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to understand Al-Quran the easy way, course 4, page 12.c in grammar. Today we will study the two new bab which so far we were missing in all the QC 1, 2, 3, Karuma and Hasiba. We saw grammar has two parts. One is called sarf, other is called naf. In sarf, it has two parts, afal and asma. Among the afal, we studied the feminine. What were they? Fa'alat, taf'alu, if'ali, la taf'ali, fa'ilatun, maf'ulatun, and fil. Then we saw the four-letter word, aslama, tuslimu, aslami, la tuslami, muslimatun, muslamatun, Islam. Then we saw the duals, madi fa'ala, mudare yafalane, amar ifala, nahi la tafala, fa'ilani, maf'ulani. And then we did the passive verb for the 3 letter. We say sumiya yusma. And for the 4 letter, we say unzila yunzal. Today we will do the karuma table. Karuma yakrumu ukrum la takrum karimun dash karmun or karamatun. And that from tomorrow, inshallah, we'll start the asma just like isme makan, isme sifa, isme tafdil, isme mubalgha, and jama mukassir. After completing them, then we will go. So far, what we have done? We have done the feminine, we did the dual, we did the passive, and today we are going to complete the karuma. It will complete the afal part of the sarf. So far, we did the pronoun, mean the feminine pronouns, the verb tables for the feminine genders, fa'alat and aslamat, then the verb tables for the dual form, then the passive. And now the 3 letter sound verbs we have learned so far in QC1, fataha, yaftahu, iftah. Then nasara, yansuru, unsur, daraba, yadribu, idrib, samia, yasma'u, isma. Till here we have done in QC1, then QC2 and QC3. Now I am going to tell you there are more 2 verbs which were we not studying. The out of them one is karuma, yakrumu, ukrum. And the second one is hasiba, yahsabu, ihsab. So we will study these 2 verbs today. Let's to see them. So they will complete our list of 6 sound verbs. What are 6 sound verbs? Fataha, nasara, daraba, samia, karuma, and hasiba. I'm sorry, you are not seeing the 5th and the 6th verbs on slides, though it's here in computer they are showing. However, the karuma is So we were talking about the 6 sound verbs: fataha, nasara, daraba, samia, karuma, hasiba. If the mid letter in Madi have fatah, in Mudare fatah, so Bab is fatah. If the mid letter in Mazi have kasra, in Mudare has kasra, Bab is hasiba. If the mid letter in the Madi have Dhamma and Mudare Dhamma, Bab is karma. Mean if both mid letter Madi Mudare fatah, Bab fatah. Both kasra, Bab hasiba. Both Dhamma, Bab karma. Now, we saw in Samya in Madi there is a kasra in Mudare fatah, so it is Samya. So 2 are left. The Nasara Daraba, they both have fatah in Madi, but in Mudare, Nasara have Dhamma and Daraba have kasra. So you can distinguish them. Both fataha, Bab fatah. Both kasara, Bab hasiba. Both karuma, Bab karuma. Both. So we were talking about the verbs. There are 6 tables of the sound verbs. Kal, fataha, yaftahu, iftah. Nasara, yansuru, unsur. Daraba, yadribu, idrib. Samia, yasma'u, isma. Karuma, yakrumu, ukrum. Hasiba, yahsabu, ihsab. If both the middle letter they have fatah, the bab is fataha. If both the letter mid they have dhamma, the bab is karuma. If the both middle letter Madi Mudare have kasra, bab is kasra. If the Madi have kasra middle letter and Mudare fatah, that is bab samya. So they become 4. 2 fatah, 2 dhamma, 2 kasra, 1 Madi kasra and Mudare fatah. So the left 2 are Nasara Daraba. In Madi both have fatah, but in Mudare Nasara have Dhamma and Daraba have Kasra. So you can distinguish them. However, Karuma is more common. Therefore, we will study this pattern only in this lesson. While Hasiba, few verbs have come, so we will see the 6 keys only. So let's to have the Madi of Karuma. Karuma, he became generous. Karumu, they become generous. Karumta, you became generous. Karumtu, I became generous. Karumtum, you all became generous. Karumna, we became generous. Karumat, she became generous. What about the Mudare? Yakrumu, he is generous. Yakrumuna, they are generous. Takrumu, you are generous. Akrumu, I am generous. Takrumuna, you all are generous. Nakrumu, we are generous. Takrumu, she is generous. Amaris, ukrum, be generous. Ukrumu, be generous. La takrumu, don't be generous. La takrumu, don't be you all generous. Karimun, generous. Dash, karmun or karamatun, to be generous. So this is the karuma table. If somebody kindly revise this table, yes, who would like to revise? Okay, sister, I see ya.
The failed Mazi table is Karuma, he became generous. Karumu, they became Karumtu, I became generous. Karumtum, you all became generous. Karumna, we became generous. Karumat, she became generous. Fele Muzare, Yakrumu, he is generous. Yakrumuna, they are generous. Takrumu, you are generous. Akrumu, I am generous. Takrumuna, you all are generous. Nakrumu, we are generous. Takrumu, she is generous. And fail Amr wa Nahi is Ukrum, be generous. Ukrumu, be generous, you all. La takrum, don't be generous. La takrumu, don't be generous, you all. File is Kareem, generous. No maful, karam or karama, to be generous is the ism.
Good. So it's a very special table. You have to note 3 points. First, the mid letter in Madi that have Dhamma. And this Dhamma is followed in all other forms, except this file maful fail. Secondly, if you see, the file is not coming on the pattern of file. Just like fa'il, ja'il, fatih, nasir, zakir, abid, alim, amil, same. It's not following. It's coming in a special pattern that is called fa'il pattern. Kareem, Rahim, Hakim, Azim. It is a different pattern than the file pattern which we were doing earlier. The third thing is that all verbs which come on the pattern of karuma, they don't have the maf'ul. So these 3 points should be noted. Karuma, its mid letter mean the ain kalma have dhamma and which is followed in all the madi mudari amal. Secondly, its file does not come on the pattern of fa'ilun, it's come on another special verb that is fa'ilun. And third, they don't have the maf'ul. So on coming this, the karuma pattern, the most important verbs coming in Quran, they are 6 or 7. Let us see their 6 key. Karuma, yakrumu, ukrum, karimun, dash, karmun, and karamatun. The next is hakuma. Hakuma, yahkumu, uhkum, hakim, dash, hukmun, or hikmatun. And the third is azuma, yazumu, uzum, azim, dash, ismun, or izamatun. Then kasura, kasura, yaksuru, uksur, kasir, dash, kusr, or kasratun. Basura, basura, yapsuru, upsur, basir, dash, basra, or basara. Kabura, kabura, yakburu, ukbur, kabir, dash, ibrun, or kubrun. Ba'uda, ba'uda, ya'budu, ubud, ba'idun, dash, bud. So this look no maf'ul for them. Okay. Please note the mentioned verb do not have any object. Second, their name of file is on the pattern of fa'il. Some of these ism file mean Kareem, Hakim are taken as attributes about which you will study later on in this same course. Let's go for the workbook. Illa khizun fil hayatu dunya. Illa mean except, khizun mean the disgrace fit hayat dunya, in the life of world. So we say, accept this grace in the life of the world. Fala yukhaffafu anhum. Fala, so not yukhaffafu, lessen or decrease anhum, from them, al-azab, so will not be lightened for them the punishment. Let's to make the plural. What is the plural for yawm?
Ayyam.
For khizi, mahza.
Mahza.
Okay. Shadid, ashadda.
Ashadda.
So the 6 key for kafara were kafara, yakfuru, ukfur, kafirun, makfurun, kufrun. To disbelieve. Kafara is the root letter, babis, nasara. The next was fa'ala, yaf'alu, if'al, fa'ilun, maf'ulun, fe'lun, to do. Fa and lam is the root letter, babis, fataha. Next is ghafala, yakfulu, ukful, ghafilun, maf'ulun, ghaflatun. Ghain fa lam is the root letter, babis, again fataha. Amila, ya'malu, imal, amilun, ma'mulun, amlun. And mim lam is the root letter, babis, samiya. Nasara, yansuru, unsur, nasirun, mansurun, nasr. Nun swad ra is the root letter, babis, nasara itself. Jaza, yajzi, izzi, jazin, maziyun, jazaun, to recompense. Jim, zaya is the root letter, babis, daraba. Pattern is hada, bab is daraba. The next is radda, yaruddu, rudda, radun, mardudun, raddun. Ra, dal, dal is the ruler. Pattern is zanna, but bab is nasara. The next mazid fi was amana, yu'minu, amin, mu'min, mu'man, iman, to believe in. Hamza mimnun is the ruler. Bab is ifal, pattern is aslama. The next one, ishtara, yashtari, ishtari, mushtarin, mushtaran, ishtaran, to purchase. Shin raya is the root letter. Bab is iftiyal, pattern is ikhtalafa. The next one is khaffafa, yukhaffifu, khaffif, mukhaffif, mukhaffaf, takhfif. Khaffafa is the root letter. Bab is taf'il, pattern is allama. So write the 6 key and translation of the given words, just like from hakuma. The 6 key will be hakuma, yahkumu, uhkum, hakim, dash, hukum or hikmah, to be wise. From basura, basura, yapsuru, upsur, basir, dash, basar or bisara, to perceive. Ba'uda, ba'uda, yabudu, ubud, ba'id, dash, bud, to be fair. Azuma, let to make the Madi table of Azuma. Yes. What will be the Madi table from Azuma? Azuma, azumu, azumta, azumtu, azumtum, azumna, azumat. What about the Mudare? Ya azumu, ya azumuna, ta'azumu, azumu, tazmuna, nazamu, and here tazmu. What the Amar nahi? Uzum, uzumu, la ta'zum, la ta'zumu, azim, dash, ismun, or azamat. So this is the table. If somebody want to revise, can revise. Okay. Azuma, azumu, azumta, azumtu, azumtum, azumna, azumat. Mudare, ya'zumu, ya'zumuna, ta'zumu, azumu, ta'zumuna, nazumu, ta'zum. Uzum, uzumu, la ta'zum, la ta'zumu. Azimun, dash, ismun, and azamatun. And Zwadmim is the root letter, Babis Karuma. Let's to see why the Dhamma come on Mudare word. There are 4 reasons. One is it may be fail majhul. As we know, fail ma'adi majhul, the pattern is fuila. First letter have Dhamma, second have Kasra, the third letter have Fatha. Fail Mudare majhul, the pattern is yufa'alu. The first letter Dhamma, and the letter before the last letter have fatha, just like here in case of this ain is the last letter before the last letter. If suppose the pattern is not that, then there may be three more reasons of dhamma. One is babe taf'il, just like allama, the mudari is yu'allim. In that case, how we will differentiate? We will see the mid letter, they will have a shad. If suppose that letter is not babe, that is not from the mudari majhul, that is not babe tafil. The third reason of the being dhamma is babe mufa'ala, just like hasaba yuhasib. In this case, that letter will that word will have alif in it. If suppose it is not mudari majhul, it is not from babe tafil, it is not bab muhal. The fourth and the last reason of dhamma in any case will be babe ifal, just like from aslama yuslim. That is the last reason when it is not, if a mudari verb come and it is having dhamma on first letter, if it is not mudari majhul, it is not babi taf'il, it is not babi mufala, then the last reason in any case will be babi ifal. So tukhrijuna, can you identify its mudari majhul or otherwise? Look, the last letter is jim. Vam nun is a plural sign. We will remove that. So jim is the last before it is a ra. It is not having fatha. So it can't be mudari majhul. Next, yukhaffafu. Is it mudari majhul or not? Again, it is not mudari majhul. Though the last letter before showing fatha, but mudari sign is that after mudari, the second letter should be having sakun, just like tukhrujuna. So it's not showing that. So it is not from babe. This is not from mudari majhul. What about unzila? It's madhi majhul. Wa ushribu. Ushribu, again from ishrib, ushribu. It's again coming mazi majhul. Yu'ammara. It's
Not madjuhur.
no. Yu'ammara, it's a ya. Ya is showing mudari. It's mudari majhul because last letter ra before it has a fatha. Yu'allimuna. It's not mudari majhul because the last letter is mim. Waw nun is the plural sign. And before it is lam. Lam is not showing fatha. So it's not mudari majhul. Tus'aluna. What's about this?
This is mudari
majhul because the last letter is lam. Before it, letter hamza is showing fatha. So it's mudari majhul. Yuzakkikum. It's not the mudari majhul because the last letter is ya. Kum is the zamir. Remove it. Before it is the kaf. Kaf is not showing fatha. So it's not mudari majhul. Yuktalu.
It's not mudari majhul.
Because last letter is lam. Before it is showing fatha.
Fataha.
Kutiba. It's madhi majhul because first letter dhamma, second kasra, last fatha, so is madhi majhul. Yutikunahu. Look, who is the zamir? Remove. Waw nun is the plural sign. Remove. Last letter is kaf. Before kaf, ya does not show the fatha, so it's not mudari majhul. Yuridu. Yuridu is again not mudari majhul because last letter is dal. Before it, ya does not showing the fatha. Kul, it's amr. It's a two letter, so it's not coming in this mudare because it's not showing the ya. Tukhalituhum. The last letter is ta. Hum is zamir. It was waw nun. When the hum joined, the nun is removed. So waw and nun and hum all removed. Ta is the last letter. Before ta, the letter is lam. It is not showing fatah. So it's not mudari majhul. Yukhrizukum. Again, the last letter is za. Before it kha, it is not showing fatah. So it's not mudari majhul. Tumsiku. Again, the last letter is ka. Because waw is the waw noon actually remove. Before kaf, the last letter sin does not showing fatah, so it's not mudari majhul. So you can identify mudari majhul by these signs. Let's to go for the exercise. Translate into Arabic. We become generous. Nakrumu, takrumuna, nakrumu, or karumuna. ABCD.
D. Karumna.
Nakrumu. You
We
became.
became. Became is in Mazi.
Okay, you are right, sister. It should be become.
Okay, sir.
When it become come, then it become nakrumu. The mistake is here. It was actually this.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, yakrumuna. They become generous, you became generous, they became generous, we became generous. A, B, C, D. Yeah.
C.
C.
Good. They become generous because ya is showing them. Karuma non 3 keys. Akrama, yukrimu, akrim, karim, dash, karam, karama, mukrim, mukram, ikram, karuma, yakrumu, ukrum. The non 3 keys, A, B, C, D.
B.
B,
B.
yes,
B.
you are right. Kareem, dash, karamun, and karama. 3 word keys for hakuma. Muhkim, muhkam, ihkam, ahkama, yukimu, ahkim, haki, dash, hikma, hakuma, yahkumu, uhkam. A, B, C, D.
D. D.
D.
B, hakuma, yahkumu, uhkum. You all are right. Kasuru. They increase, you increase, we increased. A, B, C, D. Kasaru is Madi.
They increased. It is A.
Yes, they got increase.
So A.
Yes.
You are right. Both
It is
can be.
A.
Hal tabsuruna nam basurtum nam nabsuru nam tabsuruna nam yapsuruna. A, B, C, D. Tabsuruna will change into
Nafsuru.
nam nabsuru. Hal ba'udu nam ba'udu nam yabuduna nam ba'udutum nam ba'udna. A, B, C, D.
A.
نعم بعود A.
Ba'udu will remain ba'udu. Okay. Hal hum karumau nam huwa karuma nam nahnu karuma nam antum karuma nam hum karumau. A, B, C, D.
D.
Hum will remain hum.
هو
So nam hum karumau. Warizkun karimun, and gentleman and good treat and good provision and good price. A, B, C, D.
C.
C, yes,
C.
and good provision. Yakburu fi sadurikum. Increase in your hearts, increase in their hearts, increase in our hearts, increase in my hearts. A, B, C, D. Yakburu. Yeah.
B.
Increase in their
B.
Increase in your sadurukum, your hearts. So 7 homeworks are known to you. Let's to pray. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika. نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. اللهم اغفر لنا قبل الموت وارحمنا عند الموت ولا تعذبنا بعد الموت ولا تحاسبنا يوم القيامة Innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. Allah Hafiz. If you people have any questions, your questions are welcome, please. Yes, Sister Fozia, do you have any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So if there is no question, let's to recite supplications once again. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Allahumma ighfir lana qabla al-maut warhamna inda al-maut wa la tu'azzibna ba'da al-maut wa la tuhasibna yawm al-qiyamah innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. Allah Hafiz.